Southwest Florida's news source. This is Fox 4 News at 6.
Continuing coverage of a story that has many of you talking and people across the country talking. Last week, we told you about a Port Charlotte man having a really difficult time getting a mammogram just because he's a man. Well, troubleshooter Christy Diamond was able to get him the help he needed, and now she's joining us with an update on his condition, plus a special message he has for all men who are watching. Christy?
Patrick, a lot of the feedback we got after this story was from people who didn't even know men could get breast cancer. Today, Donald Mudd is sharing with us the results of his exams and shedding light on this often misunderstood disease.
Still kind of emotional, to be honest with you.
Donald Mudd is still coming to grips with what he's been through. When we first sat down with him last week, he couldn't find anywhere to get a discounted mammogram.
Because I'm a male, I do not qualify.
We were able to get this clinic in Port Charlotte to give Donald a free mammogram and biopsies.
Yesterday morning, I'm happy to tell you that I got the results back and that it is benign.
Meaning he doesn't have breast cancer, but he does have a message for other men.
Men need to be aware that if they get those abnormalities, that they need to be checked.
Donald was lucky, but some others aren't as fortunate.
When I lost my husband, I lost my world.
This picture is an everyday reminder to Kay Castellano to spread awareness about male breast cancer. She lost her husband to it 2 years ago.
I want every single man and woman in this country, in this world, to know it's not a woman's disease. Cancer does not discriminate.
The American Cancer Society estimates this year 400 men will die from breast cancer.
Male breast cancer is about 1% of the population, and there's about 200,000 breast cancers diagnosed a year, so about 2,000 male breast cancers a year.
Since men aren't screened for it, they usually don't find out they have breast cancer until it's already in a later stage. That's why Donald wants all men to take any abnormality seriously.
If you find abnormalities, if you find that you're in pain or the things that I went through, that it warrants being checked.
We want to remind you, if you have a hard time getting the medical treatment you need for whatever reason that might be, there are resources out there to help you. If you head to our website, fox4now.com, I've posted some helpful information on there for you. Live in the studio, Christy Diamond, Fox 4 in your corner.
All right, thank you, Christy.